Assalamu alaikum and hello everybody. Welcome to the next video of algebraic expressions. In today's class, we'll be learning how to subtract one algebraic expression from the other one. But before I start the problem on the board, let us discuss basic structure of subtraction. When I say subtract 5 from 8. So when I say subtract 5 from 8, what will you do? It will be 8 minus 5. That means you will take 8 first. Then we will take minus 5, and 8 minus 5 is 3. So whatever comes after from, that should be taken first. Then we will put subtraction sign, and then you will take this number. Correct? Similarly, when I tell subtract 15 from 20, that means you will take 20, then you will take minus 15. From 20 you are subtracting 15. Similarly, when we do the subtraction here, we should take the terms that come afterwards first, and then this terms. So now we are supposed to subtract minus 2xy plus 3xy square from 8xy. So whatever comes after from will be taken first. So I write 8xy, I write this, and I am subtracting, so I should put minus sign. What am I subtracting? I am subtracting this part. Minus 2xy plus 3xy square. Right? So I am subtracting minus 2xy plus 3xy square from 8xy. That's why 8xy should come first. Because we are subtracting, there is minus sign. Then we should write whatever we are subtracting. And I put a bracket here because there is a minus sign, and here also there is a minus sign. When I have two signs together, I should separate them with a set of brackets. 8xy minus into minus will be plus 2xy. Then minus into plus. So this minus is outside and it should be subtracted with the sign inside. So minus into plus will be minus 3xy square. So now if you see, this can become one group of like terms, no? Because there is xy here and there is xy here also. So 8xy plus 2xy will be 10xy minus 3xy square. Now please don't think that 10 and 3 should be subtracted. 10 minus 3 is not 7 here. Why? Because xy and xy square are unlike terms. They both are different. So xy and xy square cannot be subtracted. That's why this answer is only this much. We have to stop here because here I am getting unlike terms. Unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted. If I had 10xy minus 3xy, that time I can subtract. But now xy and xy square are unlike terms. That's why the answer stops here itself. I will repeat. We are subtracting minus 2xy plus 3xy square from 8xy. So 8xy should come first. Whatever we are subtracting from, that should come first. Then we are subtracting, so minus sign, then this term. So 8xy minus into minus will be plus 2xy, minus into plus is minus 3xy square. Now 8xy and 2xy have same variables. When they have same variables, they become like terms. Like terms can be added and subtracted. So 8xy plus 2xy is 10xy minus 3xy square. I hope you have understood this problem. I will go to the next one. So subtract a minus b minus 2c from 4a plus 6b minus 2c. Same rule we will follow. We will see what has come afterwards from. So I will write this part first. 4a plus 6b minus 2c. We are subtracting, so I will put minus sign. Then I will write the first expression. A minus b minus 2c. Because we are subtracting, whatever comes after from sign, that should be written first, minus the first term. So 4a plus 6b minus 2c minus a as it is. Minus into minus will be plus b. Minus into minus will be plus 2c. This minus sign should be multiplied with all the signs inside the bracket. Now we can make group of like terms. That is all groups of A, all groups of B, and all groups of C. So for A I have 4A, then I have minus A, then okay, that's all, 2 terms. Then I will make groups of B, plus 6B and plus B. 2 groups of B, so this is 1, this is 1. Then I will make groups of C, minus 2C plus 2C. Okay, so this is another group. So 4A minus A. So 4a minus a, I will show the simplification here. 4a minus a, you can take the number here as 1. A remains as it is. 4 minus 1 will become 3. So 3a plus 6b plus 1b. 6b plus b, you can take the number here as 1. b remains as it is, 6 plus 1 is 7. So you will get 7b. The last part, minus 2c plus 2c, minus 2c plus 2c, c remains as it is, minus into plus is minus, 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 into c, that is when you say 0c, there is multiplication sign in between of this. So 0 into c will be 0. As I said to you in the last problem, anything multiplied with 0 is 0. So this is going to be 0. So here I got 0. So when I write my final answer, there is no need of writing this 0. The final answer can be stopped at 3a plus 7b. That plus 0 is not even required. Practice both the problems. Try out some more questions on your own and then tell me if there are any doubts. In the next class, we will be continuing with multiplication of polynomials. Addition and subtraction we have learned. We'll go with multiplication of polynomials in the next class. Please try and understand so that it will be easier for you to understand the next topic. Thank you for watching the video.